Assalamu alaikum. Did you know that the fastest way to comprehend the Quran is through total physical interaction, TPI? With TPI, you can quickly gain a deep understanding of the glorious Quran. According to research, the Noble Quran contains a total of 78,000 words. In our level 1 course, you can learn 40,000 Quranic words out of this total, which means you'll have grasped 50% of the Quranic words in just 15 hours. We also offer advanced courses allowing you to enhance your Quranic comprehension to nearly 100%. If you are interested in connecting with the teachings of the Quran, we encourage you to register and share this message with your family and friends. Simply click the provided link or scan the QR code to enroll in this course.